Welcome back, Avengemon family. I apologize, I didn't post last week. Wasn't feeling very well. The whole house was sick, so I had to take a little bit of time to recover, and here we are celebrating. Got a V Memories box I'm gonna open up tonight. I've got one of the Celebration mini tins. So we'll pop that bad boy open, see what's in there. And I've got one of the collector pin boxes, or deluxe pin collections. Before I get into those, I won a Twitter giveaway, actually, from Dragonite Finds. He has a YouTube channel as well if you want to check him out. I opened the package just to confirm that it was what I thought it was, but I didn't open this yet. So let's go ahead and bust this bad boy open. While I'm unwrapping this, I want to thank you all for supporting the channel. We got some tape on here. And thank everyone who has subscribed. If this is your first time here, thank you for finding me. And if you feel so inclined, a lot of bubble wrap, it was very well protected. If you feel so inclined, go ahead and drop me a subscription. It means a lot, really. I'm not just saying that. Okay, so here it is. The Ladybug 2001 Pokemon Southern Islands promo. This is a PSA 6. Absolutely beautiful card. Let's take a look at the back. Alright, yeah. You can see down here the corners have a little whitening. That's where that 6 comes in at. But all in all, very happy with it. Dragonite Finds, thank you. All right, so we're gonna just, well, let me grab my Charmander, and he's going to support that. Also, my newest Funko has arrived. Oh, it's the big boy himself. Hopefully we pull one of these today. The Charizard. This was supposed to come in like, I don't know, 6 weeks ago or something like that. And just showed up today. Well, like a week ago. But I'm just now showing it to you guys because I didn't feel that well. So, alright. We're going to start with this deluxe pin collection. I did get pretty lucky on release day, and I went to Target in the morning, and I caught the vendor. I've never caught the vendor before, but was there for release day and got my pick of whatever I wanted. All right, we've got this just describing what level X Pokemon were and when they were released. So that's pretty cool. Go ahead and set that over there. Code card for whoever wants it. And here is the Zacian level X. Beautiful card. It's even got the holo down here. Actually, it looks like it's throughout the whole thing. Maybe there's a little holo bleeding, I'm not sure. Alright. Go ahead and sleeve him up. And set him right there by Ladybug. We've got a Chilling Rain pack and a Vivid Voltage pack. And then we've got 4 packs of Celebrations. All right. And of course, the deluxe pin. You got it this way, and it's a surfing Pikachu, and we move that right down here, and it's a flying Pikachu. Woo. This is actually really nice. Well, it's largely the reason I actually bought that box. So, okay. I'm going to go ahead and start with Chilling Reign, and then open up a couple packs of Celebrations, and then we'll hit that Vivid Voltage. I've actually seen people getting really, really good pulls from the extra packs that are in these. So, like, I've seen several people pulling the Rainbow Pikachu from Vivid Voltage, alternate arts from the Chilling Reign packs. Just really, really good cards, which usually with those extras, you don't get anything too crazy. So, Exhibit A. Okay. My first ever pack of Celebrations. Here we go. Code card. I don't believe there's a card trick, so we're just going to go straight into it. I think they're all rares. So, we're starting off with Palkia. Zekrom, very cool card. A birthday Pikachu in my first pack. Incredible. Followed by the big boy. The chubby base set Chew. I've always wanted this card. In its original form, but I'll take it in the 25th anniversary form as well. Beautiful card. Always been a favorite of mine. Alright. And another Celebrations pack. And then, like I said, we'll get into that Vivid Voltage. And then I think I might actually have to take an intermission because it looks like my camera might die. Alright. Ho-Oh. Zekrom. Cosmoem. And Surfing Pikachu V. All right. This is just, it's such a nostalgic set to open. Because you've got so many, you've got cards from the last 25 years. I mean, it's some that you remember, some that you might not, but they're all fantastic cards for sure. And yeah, just an awesome stroll down memory lane, if you will. All right, here we are with Vivid Voltage. And we did have a green code card, but that doesn't always mean anything. This set, you can get those amazing rares. We did not. All right. Back to Celebrations. We'll keep on celebrating. All right. We've got Xerneas, Kyogre, and a Dark Gyarados. This is literally the card, other than Charizard, that I wanted to pull from this set. Wow. And Flying Pikachu VMAX. There's that code card for whoever wants it. This is just... literally, I mean, I'm pulling everything that I wanted to pull. So, hold please while I open another thing of sleeves here. That Dark Gyarados is literally that was my chase card. So this has already been just such a... I've heard everyone talk about the texture that's on these, so it's interesting to feel the texture on the card. Wow. Hit after hit after hit after hit. I mean, really, the whole set is just full of hits. It's basically the Pokemon's greatest hits for the last 25 years. So, you know, every pack you're going to have something incredible out of it. All right, we've got Dialga, Palkia again, Ho-Oh, and Flying Pikachu V. Excuse me. We are filling up all of those Pikachu slots out of the gate. Okay, so this is just the first box, first 4 packs, and these are the hits from that box. We've got Flying Pikachu V, Flying Pikachu V Max, Dark Gyarados, Surfing Pikachu V, and Birthday Pikachu. The hits don't stop. Ain't no party like a Pokemon party, because Pokemon party don't stop. Alright, I'm going to do this mini tin, and then we'll have a quick little intermission so I can charge my battery, and we'll make sure that this video doesn't get interrupted unexpectedly. Alright, we've got the Jumbo Celebrations Pokemon coin, which you had one job. That was for a clean cut. Oh well. Alright. It's scratched right there in the middle too, so that's not the greatest looking coin I've ever seen. Here's the artwork. 2 Celebrations packs and a Darkness Ablaze. Alright. You already know we got to start with that Darkness Ablaze, get it out of the way, and we'll move right on into those celebrations. Code card. All right, fire. Oh, here we go. Lunatone, Simisear, Vibrava, Bounsweet, Nickit, Larvitar, Galarian Darumaka, Carablast, Galarian Mr. Mime, and a Rhyperior V. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Also, I need to select a winner for the Dollar General mini packs with the Dragonite promos. That we had really good participation with that, actually. I think I had like 50 entrants or so. So I need to pick a winner for that. I'll go ahead and announce that when I come back. Ooh, Groudon. That's the first time I've gotten that. And a Solgaleo. I will announce the winner for that giveaway when I get back from charging my camera. Okay. Last pack before intermission. Cosmoem, Groudon, Kyogre, and Lunala. All right, so we got a couple that I hadn't pulled yet, but nothing too crazy out of that. All right, quick. All right, we are back. So just a quick recap of the first half of the video. Oh no. A lot of great pulls. Also, here's that PSA 6 Ladybug Southern Islands promo that I won off a Twitter giveaway. First half pulls: Rhyperior, Dark Gyarados, Surfing Pikachu, Birthday Pikachu, Flying Pikachu VMAX, Flying Pikachu V, and the Zacian Level X promo. All right, as promised, I'm going to announce the winner of the Dragonite promo blisters. One moment. These guys right here, there are 3 of them, 6 mini packs total. That winner is the Crimson Trainer. So Crimson Trainer, go ahead and if you follow me on Twitter or Instagram, shoot me a message on there and we'll work out the shipping details. All right. For the remainder, again, I've got this V Memories box. Let's go ahead and rip into this bad boy. Let's see what other treasures Celebrations has in store for us. Okay, I'm just gonna toss that over there with the rest of my junk. Okay, this tells us about Dark Pokemon, first introduced in Team Rocket expansion. They look a bit evil. And Owner's Pokemon, first introduced in Gym Heroes, and we've got Lance's Charizard V there. Pretty cool stuff. Okay, so we have Battle Styles and 1, 2, 3 packs of Celebrations there. 3 more packs for a total of 6. Darkness Ablaze. A Dark Sylveon pin. So that's awesome. The oversized Charizard coin, which this has that little tail on it too, like the Pikachu one did. Okay, let's see what else. All right, we've got the jumbo-sized Lance's Charizard V. Very nice. Speaking of jumbo-sized cards, while I fight with this and all the plastic in here to get these other cards out, has anyone else had difficulty getting the Johto region first partner pack? I have not been able to find that thing anywhere. Here's the regular sized Lance's Charizard. Go ahead and sleeve it up real quick. Lovely promo there. Yeah, I've not been able to find the Johto region first partner packs anywhere. And we've got the Dark Sylveon V. Now this is a first. I've not encountered where the code card for the box was a green code card. They've always, every single time, ever been white. So that's interesting. All right, we will start with these two. Or we'll do the Darkness Ablaze, and we'll do 3 celebrations, and we'll just go back and forth like we did before. How about that? All right. Leaf. Fighting. All right. Cape of Toughness. Vibrava. Simisear. Hippo. Sentret. Larvesta. Morlul. Toxel. Reverse Sentret. And a Hydreigon. Cool card. All right. Celebrations has been a treat so far. I do have coming up next weekend a triple pack battle. It's between myself, the Poke2, who I've done a pack battle with before. They are an awesome channel, very fun. And Charizard Master Sharkindra. Yveltal, that's the first we've pulled that today. And Flying Pikachu V. All right. I know they went pretty heavy with the Pikachu on this set. There's a few instances where I feel like the 25th anniversary logo just kind of takes away from some of the stuff, but I get it. It's part of it. It's part of the celebration, if you will. So I understand it. I just don't love it. Reshiram, that's the first we've pulled that. Palkia. And the full art Professor's Research. Wow. There's that code card for you. This is another one that I was dying to get my hands on. Just an amazing card. Who doesn't love Professor Oak? I mean, he's the OG professor. He gave Ash his first Pikachu. We've got that front and center now. Now I don't mind the logo on that. It's it's low, out of the way. Some of them where it's right in the middle of the card, it just kind of takes away from it. All right, we've got Xerneas, Yveltal again, Kyogre, and Mew. Okay, it's not the golden Mew, but it's a Mew nonetheless. You know what? I'll go ahead and sleeve that one up too. I'll probably end up sleeving all of these up if I'm being honest. Do you guys see that? Or is it just me? Yeah, I'll probably end up sleeving all these up. I mean, they're all hollows. It's a, special print. I want to keep them all in fantastic shape. All right, we've got Battle Styles, and then we've got 3 more packs of Celebrations. Ooh, we got a white code card here with Battle Styles. Let's see, Psychic. Wow, okay. Got it again. Energy Recycler. Horsey, Lickitung, Electabuzz. I love that card, even though it's just a common. I love that card. Esper, Timber, Sandaconda, and an Orbeetle holographic. All right, nothing too crazy, but it's a holo. Okay, 3 packs remain. Can we get the Charizard? That would just be the icing on today's video. So anyway, in that pack battle that I've got coming up with the Poketoo and Charizard Master Sharkendra. I keep misspeaking there. We are going to be opening. I saw the red and I got excited for a second. We're going to be opening up Celebrations ETBs and seeing who gets the best pulls out of those. A code card for you. So make sure that you are subscribed to all 3 of our channels. Cosmog, I think that's the first time I've pulled that. I've pulled Cosmoem a few times. Yeah, make sure that you subscribe to both Another Birthday Pikachu, the Poketoo, and Charizard Master Sharkendra. I've done pack battles with both of them before, and they're super fun channels. The Poketoo is actually who had nominated me for the Legends New Year community giveaway. So they're doing a lot of exciting stuff as well. I believe they're actually located in Australia, and they sometimes have a hard time getting some of the stuff that we get a little bit easier here stateside. Dialga, Yveltal, Cosmog, and another Mew, which does not have that weird little dark spot down there on the bottom. All right. Well, let me go through today's polls. And actually, one of the very first ones I had just put in this pile over here, I want to go ahead and get this sleeved up as well, is the base set Pikachu. And I've seen people pulling these left and right. I only pulled one today. So, interesting. But, okay, we've got Pikachu. Look how fat this stack is. Pikachu, Mew, Birthday Pikachu, Orbeetle, which, you know, it's a holo. So, Mew, Professor's Research, Full Art, Flying Pikachu V, Dark Sylveon V, which was a promo, Lance's Charizard V, also a promo, Rhyperior V, Dark Gyarados, which I am super stoked about. That's one of my all-time favorite Pokemon. Surfing Pikachu, Birthday Pikachu again, Flying Pikachu VMAX, Flying Pikachu V again, and the Zacian Level X promo. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to come back next week for the pack battle. And I also have Landon's part 2 video that I still need to upload. I haven't done that yet. Again, the whole house was sick, so we kind of put that to the wayside. But please go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up. And if you feel so inclined, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You know, I just announced that winner today for the 6 mini packs and the Dragonites. So be sure to send me a message, like I said, either on Twitter, Instagram, wherever you are, wherever we follow each other. I think it's Twitter, Crimson Trainer. And to those of you who didn't win, be sure to just stay tuned. When I hit 500 subscribers on the channel, I am going to be giving away a graded Pokemon card. Not this one, because I just got that. I want to enjoy it for a little bit. But I'll be, like I said, giving away a graded Pokemon card at 500 subscribers. That's only a little over 100 away. So thank you guys so much for being here. And until next time, guys, have a great night.